Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of English with Strangers. And if you want to be part of this series, just drop me a message on my number, or if you want to learn English in one-on-one and group classes, you can send me a message on the same number. So, before we start our session, let's get to know our guest. So, hi, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. Sure. Hi, sir. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and thank you so much joining me today. My name is Zakira Chaudhary. I'm from Gujarat. Currently, I live in Ankleshwar
Hmm.
with my parents. I have completed my master in pharmacy a
Hmm.
month ago. Now I'm looking for a job. And in meanwhile, I thought to improve my communication skills because whenever I go in any industry, I need to perform better, especially in my communication skill. So
Correct.
yeah,
Yeah.
and you are first person who giving me this opportunity. So thank you a lot.
Yeah. Thank you for writing. So, Jakira, right?
Yeah, Zakira. Actually,
Jakira,
I'm
yes, yes, go on.
I'm a bit nervous today, so maybe I cope up with this
You don't have to feel
easily.
nervous. The thing is that this session, I know this session is being recorded, but don't worry, even if you make mistakes, it's part of learning, right? And it's understandable
Yes,
when you are talking to a stranger for the first time, you are bound to feel nervous, right? This is
yes.
your first step. Yeah, I hope you'll you'll learn a lot. For the viewers, today we will be discussing a lot of things like social media and dreams. Also,
Yes.
there was another term,
Teen- Teenagers.
teenagers. Yes.
Yeah.
So let's talk about your teenage. Do you remember what kind of a person you were and what kind of a person you are right now?
Okay, so let me remember first thing. Like when I was in my teenage, I was not aware about, how to talk with someone, how I can be better myself, how I can make myself better.
Hmm.
Like, uh, like when the one thing which I learned in my 20s,
Hmm.
which I was not able to learn at my teenager, like 13 to 19, that one thing which I really want to tell everyone to learn earlier age, like if someone telling you to do something and
Yeah.
if you are not comfortable with it, so don't do.
Yes.
Just listen your heart and do whatever you feel like to do.
Yes.
Like suppose when I was in 8th standard, ninth standard, I was that time I was topper at my
Hmm.
school.
Yeah.
So my many friends told me to do my homework and solve this sums in my notebook, and I did every time I did because I never know how to tell them no.
Yeah.
But gradually I learned this thing, and now I can say myself thank you to learning this thing at not too late, just
Hmm.
in starting of 20s I learned,
Yeah.
because that time I was living in hostel in my graduation time. So
Hmm.
that time I learned a lot from many girls, how
Yeah.
to say no, how to prioritize, how to write, means how to give priority to yourself,
Yes.
how to make ourselves happy. So these all things I learned that time.
Mm-hmm. I agree with you. Like when you are young, sometimes you learn things later part of your life because you want to
Yes.
please others. When you are really young in your teenage,
Hmm.
you want to be the center of attraction, right? So if somebody asks
Hmm.
you, you happily do that.
Yes.
Yeah. So now that you are an adult, you are looking for a job, you have graduated. So what are your dreams right
Hmm.
now? Has it changed from your teenage, or is it still related to same dreams which you had when you were younger?
Totally different.
Okay, how?
Isn't it same? Like when I was in my till 11th standard,
Hmm.
I would say I wanted to become a doctor because my father, he had a dream to
Hmm.
see me as a doctor, and I also wanted to fulfill his dream. Still, I didn't have any any passion for it,
Hmm.
but all time I tried to make his dream full.
Yes.
But gradually I realized like I don't have passion for become a doctor and I can't do it.
Hmm.
Then I got like around 50 or 60 percentage in my 12th.
Hmm.
And I told to my father I want to do something else, but my father is still at, wanted me to see as a doctor, and he
Yeah.
told me go to Kota and do preparation for NEET again.
Hmm.
Then I told him in front of his face, no, it is not possible from my side.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
I wanted to make you happy, but not in this way.
Yes.
So then I chose pharmacy,
Hmm. Hmm.
Bachelor of Pharmacy.
Yeah.
And now I have a dream to inspire people, make them alive,
Hmm.
because like lots of teenager, I would say out of 195% children,
Hmm.
they just want to fulfill their parents dream. It is
Correct.
good, I'm not saying it is bad, but live for ourselves.
Hmm. Hmm.
When
Hmm.
we start living for ourselves, you can make everyone happy that time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
So
actually, on that note, I leave a poetry here by Khalil Gibran. I don't remember the
mm,
exact text, but it
mhm.
truly talks about how parents should give freedom to their children. I know that
Yes.
you have to give them good thoughts, but at the same time, everyone is an individual. They can think for themselves. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
let me find the poetry for you. It will make
Mm-hmm.
a lot of sense to audience and to you also. I'll just read it quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Khalil Gibran on children. Your
Mm-hmm.
children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters of life's longing for itself. They come through you, but not from you. And though they are with you, yet they belong not to you. And this is, and the next stanza is really, I would say, my favorite. You may give them your
Mm-hmm.
love, but not your thoughts, for they have their own thoughts. You may house their bodies, but not their souls, for their souls dwell in the house of tomorrow, which you cannot visit, not even in your dreams. You may strive to be like them, but seek not to make them like you. For life goes not backward, nor tarries with yesterday. Especially the second stanza, I leave it here. It is really profound. I mean, how, especially in our culture, in our Indian culture, our parents try to, like, literally impose their
Bound
ideas
our
on their
children.
children. They literally tell you,
Hmm.
do this, do that. They don't give you any freedom of thought. So I think parents need to understand that, of course,
Hmm.
give them your love, but not your thoughts. Like, don't make them like you. Let them have at least freedom to think about themselves. So I
Yes,
completely agree with
I
you.
agree. Yeah, because nowadays every parents, if it, mostly not I can't say rich people, they don't bound their children because
Hmm.
they have lots of money, that there is no need to bound their children.
Correct,
But
correct.
especially in middle class and upper middle class, they always
Hmm.
try to bound their children in their thoughts, in their
Hmm.
perspectives, in their dreams. So
Yeah.
yeah, these all things
And also,
happening with, I think, every children at
yes,
every
yes.
home.
I think majority of people are going through the same problem, and I think we cannot
Yeah,
even blame our parents because they also want to see us, like in a good
successful,
successful. They don't want
successful.
us to live a similar life like them. So
They
whatever
have,
their
yeah,
perspective is, they are teaching that.
yeah. Like no one is wrong here, but the wrong thing is someone is trying to force their thought on their children, which is wrong. They should
Correct.
learn something,
Yes.
how to be a parents. But most of parents of like last generation, they don't have this thought.
Yeah, they're less
But
open-minded,
yeah,
they are very
huh,
conservative. Once they make up
yeah,
their mind, they are not going to listen to you. You are younger to
yeah,
me,
they don't
why would I
change
listen to
even.
you? That's their
Yeah,
logic. You are younger to me.
because yeah, because because they think we know better for our children. That's why.
Correct. And that brings us to our next topic of social media. Let's say somebody is not able to express themselves like in real life, go out because of their parents or circumstances. How can they use this tool to achieve something in their lives? Social media as a tool.
Uh, I think doing like suppose they want to express themselves in front of someone,
Hmm.
and even in front of social media or in front of any application.
Yeah,
First, they need to have confidence.
exactly.
Whenever you wear your confidence, you can talk to anyone. It doesn't matter who is in front of you.
Hmm.
Maybe in the starting you are shaking or you become nervous,
Hmm.
but gradually, but when you have confidence, then you can take a step ahead
100%.
of doing anything. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if someone want to express themselves or become someone, like if they want to know someone themselves, so they should do start something with confidence.
100%. So, what's your plan now that you have started approaching people for English conversation? What's the main goal? Do you also want to create content, or is it just to improve English?
Uh, I want to do both simultaneously,
Hmm.
improve and side by side make conversational video. So
Mhm.
people come and know me. Like I am also someone who belongs in this world.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
So, have you started your YouTube channel? I guess this is your first conversation, right?
Yeah, this is first conversation. Yeah, I told you in our message. Yeah, this is my
Mm-hmm.
first, and you are the first person who have given me this opportunity. So again, thank you, sir, so much.
You
Thank you
don't
so
have to
much.
thank you so many times. All right, let's get.
Actually, initially I was hesitated to send you message, but then I pull my pull myself, and I thought, no, like how long I will wait for this opportunity. If he
Mhm.
says me yes, so it would be good. Otherwise, I will try again.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. I mean, whoever is creating content like us, they are always ready to have a chat with everyone, right? So if don't
Yes.
hesitate. You just have to write what can they say. They will say yes or no. But you can still
Yeah.
talk to a lot of people here. There are just so many people here. All right.
Yes, and
Yeah, yeah. Go on, go on.
yeah, I wanted to tell you, like I was waiting for you, and then my mom, she was watching me continuously, and she
Okay.
said, "What happened?" I said, "No, I don't know. Like what happened, sir? Will be reply me or not?" She said, "Don't worry. You have phone. You have everything set up. You
Mhm.
can make your own video."
Yes, why not?
No, like mom, like always want to motivate you.
Yes,
Like I want to say, like in this world there is only one person who never
let you
want anything
down.
from you,
Yes.
not want anything from you, just
Mhm.
want you grow and grow.
Yeah, I think mothers are like that.
Yeah, only mother, I would say. Father, they also, but they will always want to see us successful. They
Yes, yes.
always have expectation from our children to see us successful, on good money, but mom, they don't have this kind of uh, you know perspective or thought. They
Hmm.
just want to see their children happy in their life.
Yeah. Yeah, I think they are more serious. Fathers are more
They are
serious.
more serious about our life. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. So, what's your plan going forward? What kind of content do you want to create? Is it just conversational videos, or do you have other ideas also?
I want to, like, I didn't establish now. Just I want to start another YouTube channel where I will upload, some famous personalities videos like Priyanka Chopra
Hmm.
or cricketers. I will make biography, not
Yes.
only biography, but
Hmm.
also I will include a comedy part in between,
Yes. Humor.
and humor, and something suspicious.
Okay.
After explaining like 1 minute, 2 minute videos, then I will add some comedy part and suspicious parts, so where then audience can stick to my
Hmm.
video and they can continue watch.
Yeah. So you want to do
Initially, it would be
storytelling.
hard. Come again,
Storytelling.
sir?
Storytelling. That's
Yeah,
what.
you can say storytelling, yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a good idea.
But
But you
yeah,
need to put a lot of work for those
yeah,
kind of videos, right?
yeah. It would be just I wanted to start initially somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, by God grace, I found you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you will do great. I mean, if you have confidence to approach people on the internet, then what else do you need? And as long as you have an internet connection, your phone, you are good to go. So don't stress too much.
Mm,
I'll give you one example from when I started. Like I was also
yeah.
feeling same way as you are feeling right now, that what other people are going to think. But believe me, nobody give a second thought what you are doing in your life. yeah, maybe they can
Yeah.
say why your YouTube channel is not growing. So it can be your personal choice whether you want to tell others that yes, I have started a channel or not. But believe me, nobody
Hmm.
is thinking about you. I started doing recording videos from this room, and I'm still doing here. So you should you should start, and let's see where it goes. And
Okay.
yeah, by the way,
Yeah.
do you follow other YouTubers? Like, do you want to create videos like them? Any YouTuber or any content creator?
Actually, to be honest, I have lots of channel which I have subscribed,
Hmm.
like your channel, Learn English with Sunita, Try to Thrive,
Hmm.
many more like
Yes.
this.
Hmm.
But if you ask me, like, how I want to become in English communication, so have you heard about Palki Sharma?
Palki Sharma. I think she's a news anchor.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Hmm.
the way she speaks, I really inspire every time.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
in a day, I listen around 4 to 5 videos of her.
Yeah.
I couldn't get every word,
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
but still I inspire how, like, thoughtfully she speaks, like the way she's speaking, everything. Like I just want to become like her in my future.
Yeah, that's a good
So
dream.
I am. She's speaking really well, huh?
Yeah. I think you should take inspiration from others, add your own individuality, and you are good to go. That's the
Yeah. So
way.
like,
Hmm.
yeah, I have from someone on YouTube itself.
Hmm.
Like he told, he was explaining, like, if you want to become someone like someone,
Hmm.
so start uh like like start watching them every day.
Start studying them in
And
simple words, like see how they speak,
ah,
what kind of words they use,
yes,
right?
yes,
Hmm.
how they're expressing themselves. So yeah, so I just want to be like her.
That's good.
I hope one day I will become.
Hmm. Hopefully. All right. Last question. You are speaking well. You have finally started approaching people. So if you have to give one message to English learners that how they can improve their spoken English and how important it
Mm.
is to feel confident while you are when you are learning a language.
The first thing which I want to really tell everyone, where I also lack,
Hmm.
be consistent.
Okay.
Be consistent.
Yes.
Whatever you are doing in your life, be
Hmm.
consistent. It's if you are uh, learning or spending only 15 minutes in a day,
Hmm.
it is also enough. But if you be consistent on every day, if you learn every day.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And second thing, trust yourself. Don't compare yourself with others.
Yeah. True.
And yeah, and be confident. Wherever you're going, whenever
Hmm.
you're going, it doesn't matter with whom you are meeting, but just be confident.
100%.
Initially of my life, I was very confident.
Hmm.
For that the reason, you won't believe, I have achieved many more things like others. Like, in my college, I was not topper. I was just
Hmm.
you know just getting
Average student.
70-80%
Hmm.
average student, more than average, not
Hmm.
little bit more than average.
Hmm.
But I have achieved everything which topper was not able to do that time,
Okay.
because of confidence, because of
Hmm.
confidence.
Yeah, yeah. I think confidence plays very important role in real
Yeah.
life on social media. If you are able to express yourself, like people admire
Yes.
you.